early signs of the virus in human saliva. We're at an early stage of training to get them used to
what he's doing and then come.
Be easy when I present a sample on the task.
There are further stages to a human scientist all day to diagnose.
And see what the Mighty Tyson does to this crab.
So put them inside of this little cup of work.
It's so cool. It's so interesting. Whoa. Don't worry, buddy. Everything's gonna be okay. It's alright, buddy. You won't need any of those claws because you're gonna be the food that's about to go down. He's looking at us there.
This is insane. He really grabbed him, knocked him out. Gels that they have to go ahead and crack open. Dude, look at the mess. Holy Louise. So I usually feed him
Next, the body was covered with salt and left for and plant resins were rubbed on the body, applied to glue the strips of linen that were wrapped around the body. The mummy was placed on a wooden board and a mummified to the gods, but this is an unusual case of a bird that is rare. Very few wedged were painted on the outer.
Smile like it, smile like it, smile like it. Come here.